Stop using boring text. Here is how to master cross text effect for pro soccer poster in Canva. Open Canva and choose your project size. I will use Instagram post size. Go to text, scroll down, click this arrow, choose type cutout, scroll down, and then type the name of the player here. Change the font here. For example, I will use Anton, enter. Click on the name of the font, scroll down again. I will use no text outline and then click add to design. This text is an image with transparent background, and then go to apps, type Skew, enter, choose Skew image, go to vertical skew and type here 12, enter, and then add to design. Move it here and select the origin text, and then make it -12, and then enter, and then click add to design. Move it here and then remove the origin. Now change this bold text to different color as the color of the theme. Select one of them, go to edit, scroll down to filters and click CO. Scroll down to find dual tone and click on the custom, choose it, and then change the shadow color. For example, I will use yellow color, and then select on the second text, choose custom again, choose the shadow color. I will change it to red, and then I will move it here, select the mode, and then right click, align elements, choose middle. Now increase the size. I will move it here, and then I will change the background to black, and then go to element. I need the grass wheel, so I will choose this element, and then go to apps, and I will type here Blender, enter, choose Image Blender, choose Fade, choose Linear, move it to the top, and move it to the bottom, and move it again to the bottom like this, and then click Save. Place it at the bottom of the page and reduce the transparency about 80. Enter. Upload your close-up photo. I will use this element. I will increase the size. Go to position, layers, and send it to back. I will increase more and place it here. And then go to apps again. Choose Image Blender. Choose Fade, Linear. I will move it here. And then click Save. Go to Element. Add a splatter element to add effect. Change to white. Reduce the transparency about 60. Enter. Reduce the size. I'll place it here. Add another splatter element in white color. I will flip it horizontal. Place it here. Reduce the size. Rotate a little and reduce the transparency about 60. Enter. Now upload your full body photo. I will use this one. Remove the background. Reduce the size. And I will place it here. And then add some light elements. Reduce the size. Reduce the transparency about 60. And place it here. Add another light element. Reduce the size. Place it here. And then add a rainbow light leak blur. I'll place it here. And reduce the transparency about 65. Go to position. This light effect must be behind the player. And this one should be reduced the transparency about 75. Select any element, go to position, and then select the yellow text and duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin. and then crop from the left to the center like this. If you want to add more 3D effect, just go to Element, choose Shape, choose Rectangle or Square, add a stroke style, increase the weight, and change the color to white. Click the color button and choose Transparent or No Color. Now move it to the corner and increase the size like this, so it will become a frame. Go to Position and place it behind the text and move the grass behind the frame. And then this yellow text, the second one, move it in front of the red text. Select the player, the full body. I will increase the size and move it here. And then I will crop it here. And I will duplicate, place the duplicate right on the origin. And then crop from the right to the center. And then uncrop this area like this. Scroll down and choose the close-up photo. I will increase the size like this. Okay. And then I will go to Edit, click See All, and choose Magic Grab. And then click on the ball and click Grab, increase a little. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.